Maverick Vinales, born on January 12, 1995, in Figueres, Spain, has become a celebrated figure in motorcycle racing. He made his professional debut in 2011 in the 125 World Championship, where he won 4 races. His talent shone brightly in 2013, when he clinched the Moto3 World Championship. Making a bold transition to MotoGP in 2015 with Team Suzuki X-Star, Vinales secured his first MotoGP victory at the 2016 British GP. His career soared further in 2017 with Movistar Yamaha MotoGP, starting the season with 2 impressive wins. Beyond the racetrack, Vinales is known for his extravagant motorhome, the MV12. This luxurious bespoke RV is a 2-story marvel featuring cutting-edge technology and innovative design, including a roof that elevates to create an upper level. The STX eila Edition 1 is a luxurious motorhome built in collaboration between STX Motorhomes and eila, a hospitality rental park company. This machine is designed to redefine luxury motorhome travel, combining features of motorsports, luxury travel, and yacht design. The interior is made with the finest materials, providing a whole new level of luxury. 3 supersized slide-outs create generous space for a master bedroom, a full kitchen, an extra-large bathroom, an additional lounge area, and even a workspace. The motorhome is loaded with special features, including invisible phone chargers built into the wooden surfaces and high-quality black leather seats in the driver's cabin. Overall, the STX eila Edition 1 is a dream motorhome for those who want to travel in style and comfort. However, with all these luxurious features, be prepared to shell out a hefty sum to own one. The Winnebago Forza is a Class A diesel motorhome designed for couples or families who want to experience the comfort and convenience of an RV lifestyle. It's known for being accessibly priced for a diesel pusher motorhome, making it a good option for those looking to step up from a gas-powered RV. The Winnebago Forza offers comfortable sleeping and seating areas for everyone on board, with some floor plans even including bunk beds for additional sleeping capacity. It also comes with a variety of exterior amenities, such as an outdoor entertainment system and ample storage space for all your gear. The interior of the Winnebago Forza is designed to be both spacious and stylish, featuring luxury plank flooring, wooden cabinetry, and ample storage space. The RV includes a full kitchen, an extra-large bathroom, an additional lounge area, and even a workspace. The VARIO Signature 1200 is a behemoth in the luxury RV world, built by the renowned German company VARIO. The Signature 1200 boasts a generous living space thanks to its longitudinally mounted engine and triple-axle chassis. 3 slide-outs further expand the interior space when parked, creating a truly palatial living area. The interior is meticulously crafted with top-quality materials and finishes, featuring plush leather seating, handcrafted cabinetry, and elegant flooring. The Signature 1200 can be equipped with all the bells and whistles, including heated floors, dishwashers, washing machines, and entertainment systems. The alcove creates a sleeping area above the driver's cabin, freeing up room for a larger living area with ample headroom below. Some models even feature a built-in garage that can house a car or other recreational gear. There's no getting around it. The VARIO Signature 1200 comes with a hefty price tag. With all its luxurious features and top-of-the-line craftsmanship, expect to shell out several $1 million to own one. The Seal 750 is not a Seal but rather a luxury amphibious caravan produced by the Turkish company Seal Vans. It's essentially a 2-in-1 vehicle that combines the functionality of a trailer on land with a boat on water. You can drive it on land like a trailer and convert it into a boat for cruising on water, providing unique travel flexibility and allowing you to explore destinations accessible by both land and water. With a length of 750 meters, almost 25 feet, the Seal 750 meters offers ample living space, comfortably sleeping up to 3 adults or a family of 2 adults and 2 children. The caravan is equipped with a functional kitchen, a compact bathroom with a shower, and comfortable seating. It also features a main bed with an optional extra bed for added convenience. Depending on your location, you might need a special license or permit to operate the Seal 750 on water, so it's recommended to check with your local authorities for regulations. The STX Heavy Trailer. Full living option is a trailer designed specifically for transporting horses in style and comfort while providing luxurious living quarters for the journey. Built by STX Trailers, it prioritizes both the well-being of your horses and your own living experience. The trailer can comfortably accommodate up to 4 horses, ensuring they have ample space to move around during transport. The living quarters boast high-quality materials and refined finishes, creating a comfortable and stylish environment. With the push-up option available, the living area offers enough space for up to 5 people. Features may include luxurious upholstered walls, leather-upholstered seats, a flat screen with a DVD player, and separate air conditioning for your comfort. A private bathroom equipped with a shower, wash basin, and fresh and wastewater supply ensures convenience during your travels. The VARIO Alkoven 1200 is a high-end motorhome built for the ultimate luxury RV experience, made by the renowned German company VARIO. It's known for its spacious interior, powerful base vehicle, and top-of-the-line amenities. The slide-outs create even more living space when parked, housing features like a dinette, a king-size bed, or an entertainment centre. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, known for its durability, performance, and safety, you can choose between a 422 horsepower or a 523 horsepower engine, ensuring you have enough power to conquer any terrain. As expected in a high-end RV, the VARIO Alkoven 1200 features a luxurious interior with high-quality furnishings, cabinetry, and flooring. The Concorde Centurion 1200 is a luxurious motorhome built by the renowned German company Concorde Reisemobile, known for its spacious interior, powerful base vehicle, and top-of-the-line amenities, making it a true home away from home on wheels. Nicknamed a land yacht for a reason, the Centurion 1200 boasts a generous living area thanks to its impressive size, stretching up to 12 metres, almost 40 feet, in length, and 2.5 metres, around 8.2 feet, in width, providing ample space to move around comfortably inside. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, the Centurion 1200 is equipped with a powerful engine, typically a 6-cylinder unit delivering up to 476 horsepower, allowing you to confidently navigate highways and uneven terrains. Stepping inside the Centurion 1200 is like entering a luxury apartment, with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, fine cabinetry, and premium flooring, creating a sophisticated and comfortable ambience. Features include a spacious master bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, a spa-like bathroom, a comfortable living area with entertainment facilities, and even a dedicated workspace. The Azimoo Expedition 444 is a beast of a machine built for conquering tough terrain and enabling off-road adventures in complete comfort and self-sufficiency. Built by Azimoo, it's not your typical RV. It's an expedition truck designed to take you farther off the beaten path than most vehicles can handle. The truck is equipped with solar panels, an alternator, and a power generator, ensuring you have access to electricity even in remote locations. Large water tanks for fresh and grey water provide ample supply for showering, cooking, and washing dishes. Despite its tough exterior, the Azimoo Expedition 4x4 offers a surprisingly comfortable living space. Depending on the specific model, you can expect features like a comfortable bed, a dinette area, a compact kitchen, and even a bathroom. The Azimoo Expedition 4x4 is an ideal choice for adventure seekers who crave the freedom to explore remote destinations and experience the beauty of nature off the grid. The inTech OVR is a series of off-road travel trailers designed for those who love adventure and want to explore beyond the limitations of paved roads. Built by inTech, these trailers are known for their rugged construction and features that make them perfect for tackling tough terrain. The OVR features a fully welded cage and frame made of aluminum, providing superior strength and durability to handle bumps, rough roads, and uneven terrain. High ground clearance and off-road tyres further enhance its ability to navigate challenging environments. The OVR is equipped with a reliable suspension system that absorbs shock and ensures a smoother ride even on uneven surfaces. While offering enough space and comfort for adventure travel, the OVR maintains a relatively compact size compared to some larger RVs, making it easier to maneuver on narrow roads and off-road trails. The OVR comes with several features tailored for off-road adventures, including solar panels for off-grid power generation, ample storage compartments for gear, an exterior shower for rinsing off after a day of exploring, and a heavy-duty spare tyre in case of emergencies.